Welcome to CCON 2018 video tutorial on how to register for a session on the Purple Buzz. Before you register for a session, make sure to download the Purple Buzz at keyword CCON 2018. Click on the menu option, Download Purple Buzz. Once you have downloaded the Purple Buzz, make sure to fill out the survey. The survey provides the CCON team with key information such as your t-shirt size and if you're a remote user. Now let's begin to register for a session. Open the Purple Buzz. I will be using the Purple Buzz web app. Click on Purple Buzz Register for Sessions to use the Purple Buzz web app. Now let's begin to register for a session. Open the Purple Buzz. On the My Event screen, click on Search. Type in CCON all lowercase 18. Click on the Search button. This will load the CCON event. Click on Go to this event. You will be taken directly to the activity feed. The activity feed provides real-time information, news, and broadcasts from the CCON team. To register for a CCON session, you can review all the available sessions by using two menu options. First, the All General Sessions. Here, all the available sessions are listed by day. The next menu option to view all available sessions is by a particular CCON track. Both views will allow us to click on an event. The event details will be displayed. At the bottom, you can register for a session simply by favoriting that session. Once you have favorited or registered for that session, you can finally click on the menu option, My Schedule. My Schedule provides only a list of the sessions that you have registered for. And that's the end of our tutorial. Now you know how to register for a session at CCON.